How to lose weight fast. So you want to know how to lose weight fast? In this video I will show you how to lose up to 16 pounds in just 2 weeks. You won't need to waste money on gym memberships, expensive supplements, or worry about going under the knife for frightening surgery. Do you get teased and bullied about your weight? Do you wish you had the confidence to go for your dream job? Are you worried about the effect your weight might be having on your health? I totally understand. I sympathize with you. I have been in your shoes. Don't worry, you're in good hands here. Make sure to watch the video to the end. I have a surprise for you. As I said, once upon a time I was just like you. I was very overweight and depressed. I got bullied. I got called names like Fatso, Fatty, Blubber Boy, Whale Boy and Porky. I hated myself, and all that I have mentioned, and I especially hated the fact that I lacked the confidence to go for the love of my life. I wanted to be with my dream partner. I wanted to gain confidence. I wanted to like who I saw in the mirror. I wanted to feel empowered to move up the ranks in my employment. One day I met my friend Colin in a bar. We hadn't seen each other in quite some time. Colin had struggled with his weight for years as well. When he walked into the bar though, I barely recognized him. He had lost a good 150 pounds since the last time I saw him. I was amazed. He looked great. The girls in the bar were checking him out. It wasn't just how he looked that struck me though. He was happy and healthy. I asked him, "What happened, dude? How did you do it? How did you lose all the weight?" Then Colin said the four most important words I have ever heard in my life. The 2-week diet, he said to me. That is why I am sharing this information with you in this video. To help you to have the life that I now have. These days obesity levels are at an all-time high, and every day you're not losing weight only makes it harder to do. But in this decade, we're lucky because there are amazing diets out there created by world-renowned nutritionists. If you set yourself the goal of losing weight and use the 2-week diet as your guide, it will teach you how to lose weight fast. You can achieve amazing results and lose anything up to 16 pounds in just 14 days. And you can still enjoy your favorite snacks. You just need to learn to balance it. This is brilliant for me because I still get to eat my favorite snack of all, a deep-fried Mars bar. Yummy. Now, don't just take my word for it that the 2-week diet is awesome. Here are some other raving reviews which I found online. As the 2-week diet is a diet plan that is proven to work time and time again, and teaches you how to lose weight fast and easy, the creators behind it could easily charge $250 for it. And even at that, with the results I have enjoyed from it, that would be an absolute bargain. But the great news is that I have managed to strike up a very special deal with them. If you click on my unique voucher link in the description below, then you can get the 2-week diet for an amazing $37. Now, if you take the principles that you learn in the first 2 weeks, that can help you to lose up to 16 pounds, and continue to follow them, losing more and more weight every 2 weeks, it is entirely possible that you could lose anything up to 100 pounds within 6 months. Moments like this don't come around very often, where you have the chance to truly change your life for less than the cost of a week's grocery shopping. This is that moment where you say to yourself, "Okay, I'm going to do this. I believe in you." I know that $37 may seem like a lot of money, but really, it is a tiny amount of money to pay to truly change your life. And you really have nothing to worry about. The 2-week diet comes with a 60-day full money-back guarantee, meaning that if you don't lose the weight then you don't pay. Also, just to note, the 2-week diet is an officially registered ClickBank product. ClickBank are the largest and most trustworthy vendor of digital weight loss products online. Make this your year. Start losing weight with the 2-week diet today. P.S. The special deal I have arranged with the creators of the diet is only available to a limited number of customers. Don't delay. Click the link and secure your copy for $37 today. Don't put this off until tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. If you've watched the video this far, then you clearly are serious about learning how to lose weight fast and changing your life. You can do it. I believe in you. I was recently promoted at work and I'm now with the girl of my dreams. Life is great for me now, and it wouldn't have been possible without the 2-week diet. I want for you to have the same life that I have, to enjoy your life and look forward to each and every day. I created this video to help people. If you're watching it, then I hope it will help you. If it does, then please share it with your friends who might be in a similar situation. Spread the word. We all want to be happy and healthy, and sharing this message can really help people to achieve that. I would also really appreciate it if you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I will reply to all of you. And please subscribe to my channel too, and be sure to hit the bell icon so that you are notified of my new videos when I release them. To purchase the 2-week diet, click the link in the video description to get this truly life-changing product for only $37. The 2-week diet really can help you learn how to lose weight fast. Don't wait any longer. Take action now. Click the link below and take the first steps to losing up to 16 pounds in just 2 weeks. I know that you can do it.